Avery is watching his favorite show, Phineas and Ferb, and eating fish sticks. Let's see if I can catch him. Avery, you want to bite? Avery. Avery, do you want to bite? And dip it? Yoo-hoo. What'd you do? Try again. Try again.